Hello everyone, I'm nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel NutriForm. Festive season is just over and the wedding season or the party season have already started knocking our door. And we have gained a few kilos, more or less we all have gained few kilos during this festive season. And we all want to lose those kilos during this wedding season or during for the party season. So I will tell you about a diet. By following this diet you can lose up to 4 to 5 kgs. But yes, this is a crash diet. This is a low calorie diet. And this diet is called as cabbage soup diet. So cabbage soup diet is basically a low calorie diet where you have to eat cabbage soup for 7 days. This is a 7 days diet plan, and after 7 days you have to discontinue this diet. And as you will go through a low calorie diet, a calorie deficit, so you will lose few kilos. And this diet is a high fiber diet. It is also containing vitamins and minerals. As you will have cabbage soup, along with cabbage soup you will have fruits and vegetables. So this diet is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. As I told you, this is a 7 days diet plan and you have to eat cabbage soup, and along with cabbage soup you have to eat salads, vegetables, fruits, and sometimes you can have grilled fish or grilled chicken. So I will share you the diet chart and I will share you the menu plan, and I will guide you how you can plan your menu throughout these 7 days. So check out this. Day 1 you can have cabbage soup and fruits. You can have any fruits except banana. Meal plan of day 1. Day 2 you can have cabbage soup, vegetables and baked potato. You can have any vegetables except peas and corn, and green leafy vegetables is preferable. Day 3 you can have cabbage soup, vegetables and fruits. Where it will be mentioned only vegetables, there you can have any vegetables except corn, peas and potato. Day 4 you can have cabbage soup, skim milk and banana. Day 5 you can have tomato and grilled chicken. You can have beef or fish instead of chicken. And the amount of chicken or beef or fish will be 250 to 500 gram. Day 7 you can have vegetables, fruit juice and brown rice. You shouldn't add any kind of sugar in fruit juice. And if you can have white rice, that will be also okay instead of brown rice. But brown rice is more preferable. So let me tell you, just like all other crash diet, this diet has also some pros and cons. This diet is rich in fiber, it is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and you can lose weight by this diet. But as it is a low calorie diet or you are not intaking the nutrients in right proportion, so you couldn't continue this diet more than 7 days. You need to discontinue this diet after 7 days. This diet is rich in fiber and sodium, and if you have a dietary restriction of fiber and sodium, then you can't have this diet. And even if you have a gallbladder issues, then also you shouldn't try this diet. And if you continue this diet more than 7 days, then you may feel weak. So you can't continue this diet more than 7 days. Even during this diet, during these 7 days, even if you feel weak, if you feel fatigued, then I will advise you to discontinue this diet. So even this diet is containing good amount of fiber, vitamins and minerals. Still, this diet is not advisable for all. Before starting this diet, you need to know if this diet will effective for you or not. Otherwise, it may affect your health. And as I always say, if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it. Eat smart, go fit. Thank you.